Autism Spectrum Disorder Welfare Trust was founded in year 2015 in Lahore by Ms. Roxana Shah, a dedicated parent and a retired federal secretary.
میرا نام رخسانہ شاہ ہے. آئی ایم دا فاؤنڈر اینڈ CEO of Autism Welfare Trust. The trust has two offices, one in Lahore and one in Karachi. The objective of the trust is mainly to create awareness about autism and to train parents, teachers, health workers and professionals on diagnosis as well as management of autism and related neurodevelopmental disorders. اس کے علاوہ ہم لوگوں نے ایکٹس کے اوپر کام کیا ہے کہ ہم سندھ گورنمنٹ کا جو 2018 کا ایکٹ ہے اس میں ہماری انپٹ تھا اور پہلی دفعہ پاکستان میں آٹزم نیورو ڈیولپمنٹل ڈسآرڈرز کو لیگلی ڈیفائن کیا گیا ہے اور یہ سندھ گورنمنٹ کو اس کا بہت کریڈٹ جاتا ہے. ہم یہی کام اب پنجاب کے ساتھ کر رہے ہیں اور پھر انشاءاللہ اس کے بعد KPK اور بلوچستان کے ساتھ بھی کریں گے, so that people with neurodevelopmental disabilities have a separate category and are recognized separately. دوسرا یہ کہ ہم لوگ ووکیشنل ٹریننگ کے اوپر بھی کام کر رہے ہیں اور تاکہ یہ جب ظاہر ہے they are not going to remain children, they are going to become adults, تو ان کے لیے ووکیشنل ٹریننگ کے اندر ماڈیفیکیشنس کر کے تو ان کو اتنا ٹرین کیا جائے کہ یہ اکنامکلی امپاورڈ ہوں اور انڈیپینڈنٹلی اپنی زندگی گزار سکیں.
Considering the need of awareness, we expand our working and opened another office in Karachi 2017. ASD Welfare Trust has conducted 450 plus awareness sessions across Pakistan, covering all major cities, Karachi, Lahore, Islamabad, Quetta and Peshawar, as well as the small towns like Tando Adam, Tando Alayar, Mithi, Jacobabad, Malakand, Mingora, Sahiwal, Sargodha, and list goes on. We have benefited more than 24,000 people in Pakistan. We are also providing specialized training workshops to professionals and universities for their capacity building. Autism Spectrum Disorder Welfare Trust also come up with services of informal assessment and conducted multiple camps for diagnosis and guidance for further consultation, for which we charged nothing. We are running 5 parent support group program. Through our parent support program, we empower parents, train them to implement home-based management plan. By these parent support group, we have connected parents. Our highly trained clinical psychologists provide to those parents. Another success is we are also working in collaboration with different public and private sector organizations. ASDWT is now not limited to Pakistan only. We have joined hands with our neighboring countries, especially the SAARC countries. Our new initiative is to support persons with autism and other neurodevelopmental disorders by motivating different organizations to make vocational training programs and employment for this community. Come forward and join hands with Autism Spectrum Disorder Welfare Trust to make Pakistan an inclusive country